What's really going on, bear brick collecting fans of these S.M.A.C.D HMV bears? These are just a couple of the bear brick dispensers that are available. Look at that. Their head pops off. Oh, look at that. He's all dead. Let's see if we can liven him back up again. Regardless, see his little bow tie? That's his shirt collar. Yeah, he's all happy now. But down here, in there, you would drop the candy. You pop the head back on, like so. Makes them all happy and alive again. And then down here at the bottom, you will see that's where the pieces of candy come out. I don't have any candy for these dispensers, but I did just get them in, and I thought I would share them with you. These are two of the bear bricks. Now, the A in bear is actually the @ symbol. And ampersand, is that what it's called? Yeah. So, you can see there on the bottom, Tony Medicom. These are Japanese release. Very cool candy dispensers. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, until next time, happy bears.